Assessing the session management mechanism, we are going to discuss regarding the exposed session variable. So session variables such as a token, cookie, or hidden field from are used by application developer to send the data between client and server. So these variables are exposed on the client side, or an attacker can manipulate them to gain the access of unauthorized data or capture the sensitive information generally. So uh, let's do the practical for the exposed session variable. In this video, we are going to do the practical for the exposed session variable. So first open your lab, okay, and just check the OWSP SQL injection, extract data user info. Okay, so here you can check that there is a normal username, password, SOAP, web services, switch to expert version generally. So we have to use a burp proxy to identify the hidden field value here. So for that, we have to check our proxy first. Okay, check the proxy. Go to the option. In option, here is the response modification. So just check out the unhidden from the field and check this one also. Prominently highlight unhidden fields also. Okay, so and back to your lab, just click on that again. SQL injection, extract data, user hidden. So here we can see that the hidden field page of user info. So if you enter the key after making some changes, you should know the web page like this. So we can identify the hidden page also here, userinfo.php. So using the burp proxy, we are able to identify the hidden page, unhide hidden from field. So this is the we can consider as a in this video as a pen tester, we should examining and manipulate this value to determine the whether sensitive information is exposed, or whether we can change the behavior of application from what is expected and based on our role and authentication status. So in this case of the uh, our we means we are not even logged in the application, and we can manipulate the hidden form field label page to access containing the fingerprinting information. So here if we can change the user info and putting the admin.php and enter. So we can say that the all the user information, PHP version, config file. So how we can manipulate the hidden file without the login, and we can identify the page containing the information. So we have manipulated the hidden form field label page to access the page containing fingerprint information. So accesses such information should be protected from unauthenticated user. So right now we are not logged in. Still we are able to access the information web page. So this is all about the HTTP. So this is make sure it's not available without admin rights, but still we are able to access. So we can call this as a exposed variable type of vulnerability. So this is all about the exposed vulnerability, exposed session variable vulnerability. Okay.